Fried foods are everyone's favourite, but all that oil and grease are unhealthy and can make you fat. Now there's a healthier way with my Gotham Steel Air Fryer, the fast, easy and super healthy way to fry foods without even using oil or fat. We use air instead. The secret is the new technology using cyclonic circulation of superheated air to fry the food. It guarantees a crispy outside while locking in flavour. And the result? Up to 70% less fat and calories. And it's so easy to use. Just fill the basket with any food like these frozen fries. Then close it and set the timer. It works with any type of food up to 400 degrees. And after just 10 minutes, you'll have crispy, fat-free French fries. Or air fry some fresh battered shrimp in 15 minutes. Then just toss in a spicy sauce for a great delight. Transform these corn tortillas into warm homemade nachos in under 5 minutes. It's also great for frozen store-bought snacks like these crunchy pizza logs or melty mozzarella sticks. But it's not just for fried food. Turn this frozen beef into an incredible pot roast in under 30 minutes. And the perforated air basket strains off all the fat. And it's the best way to make bacon. Yum! Here's my favourite, light crispy donuts with an oozing centre. Gotham Steel Air Fryer.